Alright guys, so it's the day before the event. This is how you warm up before you go drifting. Alright guys, so we're here at the drift event. I got my GoPro on my helmet right now. I hope you guys can hear me. Right now we're going to start off on the figure 8. Get a little warm up going on. Then I'm going to move on to the peanut track over there. Oh my god, why do I feel so nervous? Nice. They're gonna move on to the peanut track. Corner's going crazy out here. Oh, starting to get it though. Man.
Alright, not too bad, not too bad.
I'm still learning, bro. I'm still learning. Like, that's the most confident I've been in, like, ever.
That's the more what?
That's the most confident I've been in, like, ever.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so a little update on the car. Car's doing pretty good, holding up after, what, like 3 runs? Tires looking good, and nothing really going on under the hood, so I think we're good to go for another run. I'm about to give this guy Diego, I'm about to give him a ride along. He's gonna put a 360 cam on the back. Pretty dope. What is that? Hope I don't break.
Bro, you good. Well, I hope you push this bitch out.
What the fuck? That's the first time I've done 3 laps, like complete.
Oh, bro, that was clean. You have
What
that
the
shit every time.
fuck? Oh shit. Are you trying to go again?
Yeah, bro, I'm chilling, bro.
Ah,
This is
bet.
good. You good with me.
Dude, no way.
Bro, you had that shit the whole time, bro. Oh man, that shit's so
Damn, that was not
bad.
bad for like a fucking hour break. Oh, my strap came out. I gotta hide it.
Can't let them see it.
it?
I just want to stay sideways.
That's just so much harder, man.
There you go.
Hello, sideways, bro. Full lock. Hell yeah, bro. Fuck yeah, bro. Oh, shit.
That first one, you had it down, bro.
Yeah. Wanna go back or again or?
I'm probably gonna go back. Make sure these guys didn't get wet. Yeah, that was sick, bro.
Fuck, I think I'm ready for the track. Just about, man. By the end of the day, I'm trying to get onto the big track.
Hop on there.
Yeah.
Try to get a couple good laps in. Nah, bro, you had that shit down. I think the only thing that probably fucked you is because it got a little bit too slippery.
I got lazy on my hands, so I fucking
It slid out.
on that last part. Fuck. That was fucking sick. I'm linking the track, guys. Oh man, he's going again. That's a nice R34 sedan. You guys know how I like sedans drifting out here. It's a little patchy right now, so it stopped raining. So it's not really, the water's not really consistent. There's a lot of patches right now. Smooth sailing. Woo! Too much. That was good, right? That wasn't so bad.
Again.
By the way, guys, this is Lisa. Been following each other for a while. Happened to see each other at the drift event. Came for our first ride along. It's like really nice and slippery. Don't have to gas it that much. Oh yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Bro, I can't wait to get on the big track. There's nice drifts right here. Dope!
Got this.
Alright guys, so right now I think I mastered the right turn just. So right now we're just gonna be focused on the left turn just, going counterclockwise on the track just to get used to it. And hopefully by the end of the day I can get tested to go on the bigger track that's over there. Nice one. Even with that cone in the middle over there, I managed to like play limbo with it.
You get 5 laps. 5.
Okay. All right, so this is the last run. Get 5 laps. Make this count. That was 5. Is the line still open? Is it over? No more? Dang. That was a good 5 laps though. Alright guys, so if you guys made it to the end of the video, sorry that I didn't really get too much drifting. There's a lot of new people at the track and they were just spinning out because it was raining. But overall, I think I made a lot of progress. The car survived, thankfully. If you notice, if you watched the video, I didn't really clutch kick too much. I don't want to break my car. This is my only car right now. The RSX though will be ready in maybe a couple weeks. It's just having idle issues. The swap is ready. We're just taking care of that. But other than that, I think it was pretty fun. What do you think?
It was really fun.
You did a lot of progress?
Yeah, you actually did it.
I think if we had more time, we could have tried out for the bigger track. I think we'll say that for next time. But yeah, guys, made a lot of progress. Looking at the videos, I can see what I'm doing wrong, so I'll be ready for next time. Like I said before, if you're going out drifting, have someone record you or record yourself to see what you're doing wrong. I think that's it. Guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.